This is Jason here at Gear Auto Mechanical. Nice to see you all again. Today, well, I already beat the cameraman. He couldn't film as much as I try to do because, you know, it takes a lot of time to do some of this stuff. Anyway, I built the rib. I got it tacked in place. I ended up getting the... Oh, where'd I put the part? There it is. Let me go get the part real quick.
There he is, getting the part.
The part. Getting it drilled, getting it prepped for tacking in. One thing about these panels is the fitment isn't always proper. So I did these cuts so I can get everything tacked up and then push this in. To get it to match. Yes. This is going to be a fun one. But although it's going to be fun, we're going to get it done. So anyway, let's get started. I got to finish tacking this piece in. I think I said that already. I may have or I may have not. Also notice the copper weld through copper. Oh, what is it? Primer. Yes. Always. Now that thing ain't coming off. So. Alrighty. And we're gonna take a 5-minute prep for this, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. Cut! Can you see where I almost screwed up? Well, I did screw up, but not bad enough to be bad up. I would call it a bad up if it's bad. we're going to go ahead and take a break, and this is going to be the last break of the day, so we're done. Happy turning wrenches and doing weird shit or doing shit that you've never done for the first time. Please feel free to leave a like. And also, if you want to subscribe, I don't care. I'd love to see you as a subscriber. Anyway, it's Jason here, Gear Auto Mechanical, signing out. You have a great day. Stay safe. Don't do anything I want to do. Later.